Creating schedules in Kubit is incredibly simple, especially when you're wanting to refresh a particular dashboard or report at a regular interval of time. In this example, we're going to set a schedule that's going to refresh this dashboard around our e-commerce insights. This dashboard is one that we come in and look at weekly, and so let's decide what particular day of the week is going to be best to create this schedule. When I create a schedule, essentially what I'm doing is refreshing all of the data on the dashboard to include the latest dates of data since the last time it was refreshed. So it is the equivalent of coming in and clicking this big refresh button here. When I click my three dots at the top of my dashboard, I have the option to create a new schedule. If you don't have this option, that means that you may not have proper permissions on that dashboard. So reaching out to the dashboard owner, which can be found here. When I create my new schedule, I can first give it a name, and let's call this dashboard schedule. I can also give it a description, and then I decide how frequently I want this dashboard to be refreshed. In my case, every week is good enough, and I'd like for it to be refreshed every Monday morning so that I have the complete previous weeks of data. I can select a time that it gets refreshed, and usually it's best to pick something outside of normal working hours, just so that if a dashboard is very large or has a lot of data on it, it has plenty of time to be refreshed. So I'm going to pick 4 a.m. and notice that this is going to be based on your browser's time zone. So in my case, I am in Central Time. I can select the email accounts that need to get notified, and by clicking enter, you can see that it's been added here. I can add additional emails to this if I would like, or I can select a Slack channel that I want to send this notification to once this dashboard has been completely refreshed. Then I select how frequently I want to be notified. We default to always, which will send an email or a Slack notification every time this dashboard is refreshed. Or I can be more specific and change it to alert only, which is only going to send me emails when a particular report has an anomaly detected on it. We use out-of-the-box anomaly detection, and you can go to our docs page to learn a little bit more there. What's even better is I can also be specific about which reports I should be most concerned if an anomaly is detected on. Let's say a dashboard has 15 charts on it, but really the top 3 are the ones that you want to be notified again. I can just simply select them here, and now I'll only be notified if those 3 selected reports trigger an anomaly. But no matter what, your entire dashboard will always be refreshed. I can click create, and now I'm taken to the schedule section of Kubit, and I can see that the schedule has been created, and the next time it's going to run is on Monday at 4 a.m. I can look at execution history when I'm here, as well as make edits to my schedule if things change. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let us know if you have any questions.